Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm going to make a short and sweet video on how to customize your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 like I have here, and make it the most unique looking Z Flip 3 that's going to be out there on the market. And the easiest way to do that, guys, is by using a skin. So I have a SopiGuard sticker bomb skin here in front of you. Now this is only $9.99, so if you go to SopiGuard.com and purchase this skin after the video, you will also be able to make your phone extremely unique, like I'm about to do. So it's real simple, guys. It's a skin. So as you can see here with the sticker bomb skins, I've done videos on these before, but it's just a really unique skin. So as you can see here, it just has all these just random icons and everything. But what's cool is every single one of them is different. So you're not getting the same one every time you order one. But as you can see here, you have the cutout for the screen, cutout for the lenses, and then of course it's a two-piece just due to the fact that the phone folds, obviously. But yeah, since the back is flat, it's really simple to install. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So let's start with the top one, because the top one's always going to be the hardest. So what I like to do with my different types of skins when I mess with these is put half of it on the actual paper still and be able to actually line it up a little bit easier. So that way then whenever you're doing this, you're not really affecting or messing up anything here. So this is all in real time. So let's see if I can knock it out on the first try here. And then once you have it lined up where you want it, you just kind of peel it off and then just let it fall into place. There we go. Super easy. And then let's do the bottom here, which the bottom should be a heck of a lot easier. But what I'm going to do with this one is actually just line it up to the hinge color here. So as you can see, there's this matte black portion here. Just going to line it up nicely there. And the same thing, just let it fall into place. And that's it. And then now you have a completely unique looking phone. So there you see, there is the sticker bomb skin on the actual device. You can use a blow dryer, but just for video purposes, it's not really necessary because the back of this is very flat. So as you can see there, it just matches up very nicely with the actual rails. So you see the cutout here, it just looks really good. But now you have a completely unique looking Z Flip 3 there, and it just looks cool. You got the cutout here exactly for the screen. You have the cutout for your lenses, cutout for the flash, and it just looks so cool. I think it looks really cool too with that matte rail there that's separating for the hinge, because once the device is closed, that's what it looks like there with it being closed. Same on the back. But like I said, it just looks so unique and just looks really cool. And like I said, it does add a little bit of grip. So if you're messing with a skin on your phone, you do get that nice grip matte texture because it is kind of more of a matte finish anyways. So it does just make the phone look completely unique. So yeah, for $9.99 guys, to make your phone look cool like this, a skater's dream, a skateboarder's dream there. It looks just like the bottom of a skateboard there. This is what you can get, guys. And like I said, it's a one-of-a-kind look. So when I'm using this phone, just like I've done on my other phones when I have the sticker bomb skin on it, I've literally gotten asked at least a handful of times, like, hey man, what kind of case is that? And it's like, well, that's not a case, it's a skin. And I explain to them and they just think it's so cool. So there you have it, guys. If you want a one-of-a-kind Z Flip 3, check out SopiGuard's website and pick up the sticker bomb skin and give you that unique look. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I will see you on the next one.